Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rockmart Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. Moving long distance, which involves moving over 50 miles, can be stressful. Arranging and transporting different sizes and shapes of items to your new location is a complex process. 3 Movers makes the procedure easier. Our long distance moves are straightforward and hassles-free. We work with state and federal authorities in charge of relocation. That is why we have permits to conduct intrastate and interstate moves. We have insurance plans in place to cover any dangers that may arise during the relocation. Our drivers are also licensed and are security conscious. They drive carefully and obey road rules. We deliver your items on schedule without your belongings experiencing any form of damage. Local relocations can get out of hand if you don't plan properly. Whether you're moving down the street or across town, you need to dedicate time to planning every detail of your move. 3 Movers is the best option for a seamless local move. Our customer service is outstanding. We are always accessible to answer your inquiries and assist with all your relocation needs. In addition, our hourly charges are very affordable. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rockmart moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.